Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Sheldon.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we have a cute little spot to showcase over on the west end of Panama City Beach in the Laguna Beach area. It's a little mobile home off of Sandy Lane with a huge lot. What are some of the things that you love about the west end of Panama City Beach?
Well, location, mainly. You are a short drive just to 30A, and you're close to Thomas's Donuts, Carousel Grocery, all kinds of cool little things that we just love and adore here on the west end. I grew up on the west end, so it's kind of near and dear to my heart.
He's a little biased. And you can jump on over to our beautiful airport very, very quickly down Highway 79. So this home is a 3-bedroom mobile home. It was completely gutted in 2019, brought down to the studs. They put new flooring, a lot of little extras. They redid the ceiling on the back porch. Gorgeous fruit trees in the backyard. It's a really cute little spot. And what I love about it is it's a great entry-level purchase if you're trying to get into the Panama City Beach real estate market. So just a little over $200,000, you can get that either beach getaway, you could rent it short-term or long-term. You could
just have a getaway, second home getaway.
Yeah, and you could take advantage of this spot while you think about what you want to build for your dream home. It's just a really great entry-level opportunity. If you want us to show you this property, give us a call or tell your real estate agent. We'd absolutely love to show it to you.
If you'd like any more information on this listing, please click the link below. We have pictures and all kinds of other things on there that you may find helpful.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like this one.